Huh? What the? Oh, God damn it. It's just drool. Thought it'd be semen again. Fuck, I hate my life. Time to go eat some breakfast or something. Oh, God damn it. God damn it. Just another rainy goddamn day. All today's good for is sitting around watching TV and masturbating. Two things that I do best. Oh yeah, and thinking about that stupid bitch I left behind. Those pink trees out there remind me of her. God damn it. I'm so sick of sitting around thinking about her. I'm fucking hungry and need some coffee. God damn, that's a good apple. Wait. Fuck. It's a pink lady apple. Oh, God, that was her favorite kind of apple. That sweet pink lady reminds me of that sweet pink pussy. Oh, my God. God, that's good. Oh, fuck. I gotta call that bitch. She works hard for the money. So hard for you, honey. I love working from home. It's the best thing that ever happened to me. Do 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 do. Sitting here all alone. Don't know what to do. Thinking about fucking calling her. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna call her. Get back from me. Get back, dog. You're the only one I love. I gotta call my old bitch, though. Oh, no, he's not calling me. Ring, ring. Oh, no, he's not calling me. Oh, shit. Hello? Baby? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Why are you calling me? I don't even want to talk to you. Baby, talk to me. Don't call me no more. I'm a working girl. I don't need your money. Can we have phone sex? I miss you. No, I won't have sex with you over the phone. I got plenty of men up here. Oh, God, I miss you. Mm-hmm. Shut up. Don't call me no more. Man, can't live with them, can't get rid of them. She works hard for the money, so hard for you, honey. No, baby, don't leave me. Fuck. God, this is what she's driven me to. Put that in there. Close the door. This is the only way. God. Oh yeah. Oh God, this is epic. Epic masturbation. Too tight. Best way to go.